none. He was just a lonesome hobo who was fighting for his life, and the sadness in his eyes revealed the torture of his soul when he raised the weak and weary hand to brush away the cold. And outside the rain was falling on a lonely boxcar door, but the little farmer hobo-bill lay still upon the floor, and there was always to the darkness and a raging storm outside, and no one knew that hobo-bill was taking his last ride. And it was early in the morning when they raised the hobo's head, and the smile still lingered on his face, but old hobo Bill was dead. And there was no one there to weep for him or soothe his weary soul, for he was just a hobo who had died out in the cold.